Just saying it's Big World 2019 time. I just got like 2 dense fog warnings. Well, from WeatherBug and AccuWeather, my new weather app. And I got another one. It's called My Radar. Why do I keep downloading so much weather apps? What's going on? So, it's gonna be foggy out. It's a dense fog warning from WeatherBug and AccuWeather. Yep. So when I have 2 EAS alerts, and when I do them both, and I only have 2, but EAS like #7 to #EAS8. Okay. Think. Oh, okay. Nope. Dense fog advisory has been issued. It will expire at 10 a.m. on October 21st. Severe weather alert. Dense fog warning in effect for Bel Air, South Maryland until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. I think that's what it stands for. Source, U.S. National Weather Service. That's from the National Weather Service. Okay.